Welcome to my airport, based here out of LA. I have a new series I'm starting. I'm owner and operator of the West Side Terminal and West Side Runway. I run 4 domestic gates, 2 international/cargo gates, and 1 private gate. Welcome, and let's get started. I will be posting once or twice a week now. I'll be posting less. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and thank you for watching. Alright, first we have Allegiant cleared for takeoff to Phoenix, Arizona. Alaska is next in line for a takeoff to Spokane, Washington in ERJ 175. Behind that we have another Alaska ERJ 175 takeoff to Salem, Oregon. Parked at the private gate is a 318 all business class to San Diego at our private gate. Parked here at gate A1 is American Airlines loading for Salt Lake City, Utah. Parked at gate A2 we have Southwest Airlines loading for Las Vegas, Nevada. Parked here at gate B1 we have United Airlines loading for another flight to Phoenix, but continuing on to Dallas, Texas. Here at gate C2 we have Alaska Airlines getting ready for pushback for departure to Anchorage, Alaska. Here at D2 we have our international flight. We have Fiji Airways loading for Nadi International Airport. This is one of the international gates we have on this side of the terminal. Then we have E3 and A4, which is our cargo hold. We have FedEx loading for a Memphis flight. Thank you for listening to the update, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.